Hello everyone, welcoming you all to Food Culture and More. Today, this video is not about any discussion on any specific topic or any particular highlight point of lifestyle, nothing. This topic I have chosen to discuss today is an open podium where I will be clarifying and telling my viewpoint on one of the greatest and most important topic of discussion in today's time, weight management. So first things first, why we need to lose weight and when we should start the weight loss. So please don't wait until you cross a certain level and come back and say that I want to reduce the weight. It's not advisable. Keep a control of your health and keep a check of your health. Be it doing routine blood checkup, be it having the control of the food, be it having the control of the type of food. I know this requires doctors, dietitians and their guidances. Take their help and help yourself, love yourself, because health is wealth. Health should be the first checkbox in your life, and that should be and the goal in the life to have the best possible health, and it should not be compromised at any sake. A long-term problem cannot be solved in a short period of time. Taking some short-term intervention, it is not advisable because that will lead into some serious health complications. It will. So don't go for that. I know there are a lot of things and a lot of views and a lot of videos even that how you can reduce weight or how not to reduce the weight. Everything is available, but my reason of doing this video is to share my experience, my vision on this thought. Please get motivated to gift yourself the best possible wealth in this world, that is health. Don't get motivated because you want to look in a certain way. Don't get motivated because you are feeling that you are embarrassed of your body. Don't get motivated just because your friend is going for some weight loss and you want to do it and you want to just replicate that. No. Weight related problems are very, very much individualized, and that requires individual care. The thing which goes for your friend might not be suitable for you, and you should know that. You can do routine checkups. That is absolutely fine. That doesn't make you that you are doing a blood sugar test means that, oh my god, I am diabetic. No. Doing annual blood reports or maybe biannual, maybe twice a year, is good. Every 6 months you should get your blood parameters checked. You should know that what is going on inside your body. We hardly know it. We go on abusing our body and reach in certain point where we do not know how to come back. Don't do it. You don't deserve it. You have to love yourself. Not for the sake of anybody, but for the sake of you. As already explained in my previous video, mental health, physical health, and also the social health. Today I am just focusing on the physical health and its maintenance by you. You are the main person who can gift or who can be responsible entirely for leading your life the way you can. So don't let any exogenous forces destroy your health. So live healthy, guys, and don't wait until it goes out of your control. Thank you so much.